What's up, guys? This is Dwight here with Auction Up. I am so excited to be back in the game. Had an awesome summer this year. Well, it's still summertime. Been really busy. Went down to the ocean for 2 weeks, New Jersey, Wildwood, New Jersey. I posted a video. I actually have another video coming from that. Just, you know, if you like to see what Cape May looks like. And I also think I have a little fishing trip I did with my nephew. But right now, I'm in the game, guys. I got a yard sale right around the corner. I just drove past it, stopped, and was like, yes, let's do this. So we're gonna go to this yard sale, see whatever treasures we can find. Had a lot of really good, awesome sales too recently. I need to do a video for that. I've caught up a lot of stuff. I had so much stuff sitting around the house. It was absolutely crazy. But these are all good problems. But they cause me not to keep up with my channel. So I got more videos coming, more exciting stuff for you guys to watch. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. And what really helps me out is when you hit that little like button. YouTube loves that. Hit that like button. I'll greatly appreciate it. All right, let's go over to this yard sale here and we'll see what kind of treasures we can find. Here we go. Ooh. I've been thinking about getting a canoe, actually, ironically. Well, I don't need one. Look for those treasures. Alright. See what we got here.
Sorry to bother you again. It's okay.
Como conocer algo, ¿no?
Alright, guys. Let's see here. Nothing.
Is it free for this? Yeah. This is 14.
Thank you.
Thank you. Is there anything certain you're looking for? Okay.
Just looking around.
Okay.
Anything good?
Hidden still that's not really out.
Okay.
But yeah, a little bit of everything.
Looks like some good stuff here. Let's see what we have. It's pretty cool. That was funny. This box has potential, guys, if you can see, but I wasn't walking away. Unfortunately, but I got a funny feeling they already know what they want for the prices. Yeah. This is a flea market. prices. Yep. Yep. Crypto truck. Alright, well, let's see. This is pretty cool though. I like these. This is pretty cool. Excuse me. How much were you looking for these?
I'm gonna say 10 for those.
10 for the two of them?
Yeah. Yeah, I looked them up yesterday to see what they were selling. It was, yeah.
What were they selling for?
It was a good price. I almost actually put them aside because
Okay.
they were, let's see if they're still on here. No. I didn't find those exact ones.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see if it'll come up like this. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, I couldn't find those exact.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say 8.
8?
Yeah.
No, like, yeah, it's worth the risk. And this one here, what were you looking for this?
Let's just say 3.
3?
Yeah.
I'd go for that. And this old beat up train set. So I think the engine is shot. Yeah. Yeah.
I was saying. Let's say 10.
10? This is a Marks. Not sure if it's a Marks or not.
I'm not sure. Yeah, that was actually one that wasn't ours, so I didn't have the chance to really look it up. I'm not sure where my dad acquired this one.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is your dad's?
Some of this, yeah, this stuff was some of my dad's. Some of it was, you know, back from when my parents were kids.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, that we had never seen before, so.
How much for this?
2.
2?
Yeah.
Okay. And no. My wife told me no more Nowlet fire trucks. Hard decision here. This cranks. No, it doesn't work. Nah, that's gonna be too. Promise there's small stuff there. Whoops. Pass on that. Alright. We'll take a quick look around. And I'm gonna grab this guy.
John, can we get both office stuff out?
Take a little bit more closer look at stuff. That tells me it might be a mixture. Yeah, it's good. How much for this? Okay. Alright, so we got this guy.
Josh, can you grab a bag?
3.
Medium.
Was that 3? I think this guy's 3. And then these were 8.
6. What did I say for these 8?
Yes.
So 14.
Oops.
And then do you want to just grab the bag thing from inside? You want to just grab the bag thing from inside there?
Sorry.
It's okay. I mean, you can, as long as that's good, but then for future.
Oh, there was a Nolent fire truck in there. How much were you looking at for that?
Let me check it out. Sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, yeah.
Out, so,
I haven't seen these for a while.
I'd say probably 10 for the 2 pieces.
I'll get that too.
Yeah, these toys bring back memories. This is a part of.
It was at one time.
Not part of what you took though, right?
Nah. Not anymore. Nah. Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Sure we have a good bag for
I am fine.
Okay.
There's 8. I mean 10. Sorry.
It's okay.
Did they have like a flea market set up? Yeah.
I actually started collecting swords
Mm-hmm.
and kind of expanded from there. But swords was the start of it.
And then it went downhill. That'll be me one day. All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right. All right. Thanks a lot, bud.
Go through that.
All right.
Got it?
Yep. I guess that actually worked out much better than I was expecting. Way better than I was expecting. I underestimated because if you don't open your mouth and ask questions, you don't know. So I decided to open my mouth for once. Because believe it or not, inherently I'm actually shy and I'm an introvert. I'm not a very talkative guy. Well, I am a talkative guy. I won't shut up usually once I get to know you. But initially, I'm very quiet and reserved. And it's kind of funny I say that. I'm an introvert. My coworkers probably wish I shut the hell up half of the time because I'm always playing and saying and always got something smart to say. But hold on. This has got to catch my wire here. Sorry about that, guys. Alright. But this is actually a really good score here. So I want to go over what I got. Alright, so we got a Nolent fire truck here. It's not in the best condition, but it's far from the worst. And $10. It's definitely sell about 30, 40 online. That's an easy sell. That was actually a no-brainer. Nolent fire trucks was actually one of the first things I was buying back in the day. And then this guy here for $3. I wasn't sure, but he was worth the risk. It's made by Empire. He was worth the risk. We'll see. This is a Structo green truck. Another item that was just, I know Structo there. $3. I'll probably sell it for 20, 15, 20, $20. This guy here, the trick to these is if we look at the back, I don't know if you guys can see it at home. I pray you can see it. On the back here, it says 1972, 1981. It tells me that this is at least from 1981. And I remember golf reels were pretty popular when I was a kid. So I was like, I'm going to snatch that up. And these are the gamble of the day. But I think just because we're in Pennsylvania right now, this is the Eagles kissing boy and girl made in Japan. So I'm going to put this probably 70s at the earliest, if not 60s. So all of you Eagle fans out there, you know what I'm saying? And this little girl, I don't think it's an Eagles fan. I don't know what she is. But anyway, this is a pretty good little run here. I'm very shocked. All right. Please remember to like the videos and to subscribe. And until next time, peace out. Also, stay blessed, stay happy.